Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete accounts on Ladder. So actually guys, you can't do it directly inside most cases like a simple button. So there are usually two steps, like cancel subscription first and then request a deletion. So actually guys, to cancel your Ladder subscription you will need to go and open your settings or your device settings. So these ones, so just tap it. And here you will need to tap your Apple ID or your name at the top. So once you tap here, you will need now to go with subscriptions. Okay, so the fourth option, tap on subscriptions, and now we are inside the subscriptions or the apps that you already subscribed to it. So you will need to find and locate Ladder and then just tap it and tap on cancel subscription. So this stops future charges as well. And now to request the account deletion, you will need to know that the Ladder accounts are typically deleted by contacting support. So you will need to send an email to that email. So in your message, include your account email, full name, and request something like please delete my Ladder accounts permanently. So the important things to know before that the deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. And your workout and data history will be removed, and you may need identity verification before they delete it. So if you don't cancel the subscription first, you could still be billed. So the deletion can take a few days, sometimes up to 30 days, a month, depending on request processing. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.